A second way to find the percent of a number is to multiply that number times the percent in decimal form. So here on this side we have the relationship between decimals and percents. We know for the experience that we can convert any decimal into a percent just by moving the decimal point 2 places to the right. So in this case 0.3 or 3/10 can be converted into 30%, 45 hundredths into 45%, 8/10 into 80%, etc. On the other hand, 50% can be converted into a decimal just by moving the decimal point 2 places to the left. 62% into 62 hundredths and 43% into 43 hundredths, since percent is a ratio that compares to 100. Here we have some examples. Find the 45% of 360. So since our 100% will be 360, we basically multiply 360, which is the 100% of the amount I want to find. I want to find the 45%. So 45% I know that is 45 hundredths in decimal form. So here I multiply times 45 hundredths. So I will multiply and use the rules to multiply decimals times a whole number as usual. So 5 times 0, 5 times 6, 30, 5 times 3, 15 plus 3, 18. Move a decimal place to the left, 4 times 0, 4 times 6, 24, 4 times 3, 12, and 2, 14. Since I have 0 here, well, there's no need to add it, but if you want to, no problem. So now we have to add, as usual, 0, 12, 6, 1. Since here we have 2 decimal places, we have to move 2 decimal places to the left, and then the answer would be 162. Now, to get 32% of 400, we basically follow the same process. I know that 32% is in decimal 32 hundredths. So I have to multiply 400 times the percent in decimal form, and that way, since for this case maybe mental math is not that easy, so we can use that other process. 2 times 0, 2 times 0, 2 times 4, 3 times 0, 3 times 0, and 3 times 4, 12. So here we add up, 0 again here, 8, 2, 1. Again, 2 decimal places here that had to be considered in my answer. So I know that the answer to this problem is 128.